In yet another incident of gunfight with the police, newly formed Karbi Anglong-based militant outfit named National Socialist Council of Karbi Longri, in short, NSCKL, was engaged in a serious gunfight at Deithor. Pabitra Teron, chairman of NSCKL, was shot during a crossfire and obtained critical injury. He was arrested and brought to Deithor Medical College for his treatment under police surveillance. On acting upon the specific intel input from its sources about the formation of new militant outfit at Karbi Anglong police had initiated a search operation from 23rd August, and on 24th August, 3 militants from National Socialist Council of Karbi Longri, in short NSCKL, were arrested from Deithor and Deithor. While the search operation was carried out at Deithor by the police, rounds of fire was exchanged between NSCKL and police. Pabitra Teron, chairman of NSCKL, was shot and arrested by the police. The 3 arrested militants were identified as Pabitra Saikya, alias Teron, chairman NSCKL from Bapuram Singnar village, Deithor Rahul Togbi from Panchayat Colony, Deithor, and David Ingti from Sarthe Ingti village, Deithor. 3 pistols, 3 pistol magazines, 21 live ammunitions were recovered from their possession. Ananterang's report from Bakajan for Karbi Anglong Live.